Markets around us. Dear students, let's join me for shopping. While wandering in market, I will explain you the role of producer, that is manufacturer, wholesalers and the retailers. So, hurry up. A market is place where the producer, seller and consumer meet to transact business. Successful markets recognize people's needs and requirements and stock such products. Manufacturers are always in search of customers who will buy their product. Exclusive residential areas have markets that sell goods at a higher price than a middle-income group residential area. The manufacturer does not sell his or her products directly to the consumer. Wholesale merchant buys bulk goods at a lesser price. A retailer is a smaller merchant who buys such product from the wholesaler which he will be able to sell at his shop. Consumer get the products directly from the retailers. We can see that the closed chain between the manufacturer or producer, wholesaler, retailer and lastly consumer. Wholesale market. The photographs above and below are the wholesale markets. The wholesale dealer buys goods in bulk from the manufacturer and sells it in small quantities to retail buyers. The wholesale dealers buy goods in bulk, so they get a good discount from the manufacturer. When the wholesaler sells it to the retailer, they also give a discount to the retail dealer. Hence, the wholesale merchant acts as a link between the manufacturer and the retailer. Sometimes the retailer gets credit from wholesale merchants. Retail market. A retail shop always tries to attract the buyers. A retail shop stores a wide variety of goods for the consumer's convenience. The wholesaler is those who collect the goods from various manufacturers. If somebody have to purchase the goods directly from the retailer, then it is must to pay cash immediately to the retailer. Hence, the retailer acts as a link between the wholesale merchant and the consumer. Nowadays, attempts have been made to eliminate the role of wholesaler and bring the manufacturer directly in contact with the retailer and sometimes the consumer, so that manufacturer get more profit. Cooperative often sell products directly to the consumers without intermediaries. The success of cooperatives is an example of how elimination of intermediaries benefits the manufacturer and the consumer. In rural areas, farmers often sell their produce directly to the consumer. Farmer-to-consumer sale is possible only when the quantity of product is small. We cannot eliminate the role of wholesaler from market because only they can store the large quantities of goods and can fix the price of that. Summary. Our daily needs get fulfilled by market. In market, we see one chain, such as the wholesaler dealer acts as a link between the manufacturer and the retailer. The retailer acts as a link between the wholesale merchant and the consumer. And that is all in this lesson, student. Have a fun and enjoy the learning.